Good day. Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive hereby data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it family member or friends?
Friends.
Okay, do you know which place they were designated? Do you know which place they are working?
No, ma'am. I don't know.
Okay, remind yourself that you come to work here in Malaysia and not to meet up with your friends, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
If you feel unwell or if you feel that there's something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia? Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because I want my future, ma'am.
Your future.
Yeah.
Okay, so can you help me introduce yourself?
My name is Libinaga pa from Lagimit, Barangay Lagimit, Blan, Sarangani Province in Philippines. I was born on June 11, 1996. I am 29 years old.
Okay. I need to know some few more details from you. Are you single or married?
I'm single, ma'am.
Do you have children?
No, ma'am. I don't have.
Okay, what is your height and your weight?
My height is 5 flat.
What about your weight?
Ma'am, again.
What is your weight?
58.
58 or 57?
57.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so is your family allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have two brother also.
What is your rank in your family?
Eldest.
You are the eldest.
Yes.
What about your parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My mother is was die.
Okay. So your sibling allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia. We don't have any problem later, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a 2 years contract. You cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you cannot handle your job anymore. You miss your family. You got homesick. No such a thing. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here, okay? If you agree, it's fine, you work properly, don't give us problem, okay? But if you disagree, better stay in the Philippines so that you better stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Normally, this is your first time working abroad and homesickness will frequently attack you. How will you gonna handle it later?
Calling to my family, ma'am.
Calling to your family. Okay, according to your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience in the Philippines as what? Do you have any working experience as a housemaid in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it stay-in maid?
Yes, ma'am.
How many months you work there or how many years?
9 months. 9 months.
Okay, what year and months did you started and what year did you or what month did you finish your contract?
Mm. October start, October 27. And then my boss is going to Japan. I'm stuck my job because my boss is going to Japan.
Okay, so how many what year did you started
2024.
until July?
Yes. October 27.
What year is it?
2024.
Because according to you, you worked there for 9 months. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
And what month did you started and what year? October 24, 2024. Ay, October
Yes,
27, 2024.
yes, ma'am.
Until July 2025, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes.
What is your job responsibilities there?
And take care of the 2 kids and then cleaning, ironing, cooking.
Laundry.
Yes, ma'am.
How old is the children that you take care?
And 11 years old.
How old?
7 years old and 11 years old.
7 and 11 years old.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you finish your job because your employer go back to China, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Working abroad is not that so easy. Most especially, you choose this field as a domestic helper. It is a very tough job. This is not an easy job. Employers here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness, and the houses here is quite big. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people? Can you take your elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
No, ma'am.
Are
I
you,
don't have experience about the animals.
so you are afraid la?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your family also at the same time and to yourself, okay? In Philippines, you can be the boss, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you ready to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure that you won't give us problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No.
Are you mentally stable?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You won't cry once you come to work here.
Yes.
After you say yes, yes, later, once you come to reach here in Malaysia, you wanted to go back home.
No, ma'am, because I'm ready to myself going to abroad.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you, Divina. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.